have did a burnout in my truck before I ever did. All right, we clean. See if I can take home a trophy. Made it to the Homeboys car show. So we got out here so far. That's his squad over there. That's him parked over there, the Carnage. But let me go pay my dues, man. It don't matter if I win. We supporting the homie. Doing good. Let's hope this car show does better. Let's see what we got, man. Let's look at the Mopar lineup. Scat Pack Shaker with the co-air intake box. Never seen that setup before. Pretty clean, color match. ABS cover, fuse box cover. I like that old dipstick with the Hemi logo on it. Catch can, throttle body cover. People tell me I should have got a shaker when I got my Challenger, but I like what I like. That's pretty slick. D badge with the decal. I really like this. I really like this setup. Oh man, it looks good. That diffuser makes it look angry too. Drilled and slided rotors.
Night shows around here, man.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh,
I agree.
Lit up like a tree, bro.
I agree.
Lit up like a tree.
We gotta set that up. We gotta set that up. I know you know the right people to do it.
Oh, it's already. That's what I'm saying. I need the sun to go down.
Oh, okay.
All right, what are you gonna be doing?
Seen this one before. This is that Young Dolph tribute. Somebody let me know what color this is. I have no idea what color this is. But the subdued Scat Pack badge. Man, that's a clean color.
Trying to find you another one?
50th anniversary. No, brother, what's going on? Let's do this unboxing video right here. The fellow 82nd Airborne brother right here. It's Mr. Shock West right here. This is his car show.
Ooh, I got tumblers? Okay.
He's a veteran too, so he understands. Oh, Wolfpack for life. And we got the 82nd Airborne Division, or Alcoholics Anonymous, like they like to call us in the CAV units. But you know, you call one wolf, you get the pack. So that's what we got right here. So if you want some, hit up my homie Billy Carroll right here. Where can they find you?
I have got to set up my Etsy page, but as soon as I do, I'll get that info to you.
All right.
And I'm on Facebook, so
hit up Billy Carroll or hit me up, and we can get you some of these if you served. If you're ever in 82nd, that's good quality right there. If you're a coffee drinker, if you were in 82nd, you're definitely a coffee drinker. The man up and get your commemorative Wolfpack tumbler right there. Shelby GT 350. You know y'all like the Fords on my channel. So check it out. Rocket City Mustang Club with the stick shift Cobra GT 350. From what I understand, these are faster than the 500. Somebody let me know. You know about that red-eye Cobra. The Scatty. Another shaker with the Hearst shifter. Clean. That's the emblem package I couldn't get. But I thought if you got the B, you got the stripe. Somebody let me know. The big brake kit. And the shaker. Looks like a C7 Corvette. 2014 Stingray. Honda Civic. Is it Type R? Tell me it's a Type R. It's a Sport. And then there's me all the way over here. So we're at Milton Frank Stadium here in Huntsville, right across from the sports complex. I forgot which football player it is. It's a local legend that comes by once a year. He puts on a Turkey Bowl flag football game during the weekend of Thanksgiving. So might try to make that and see if that's legit or not. But I walked way over here because I saw this right here. The plate says 68 Merc. This is the eye catcher, so when you're driving down the street and you're trying to figure out where the car show is, you see this car right here and you be like, it must be a car show going on over there. The race shifter. The dice hanging from the rear view. I dig it. It's a nice old school. So is this a Cougar? Somebody let me know. I guess not if it says Montegro. Mercury Montegro? Either way, it's clean. Brake drums, color matched. I like it. All right, let me go get a video of that Carnage Charger up there. The homie Shock West. Got a tent whirl over here.
Austin, let me get the truck keys. I need these pictures for it. Thank you.
Absolute carnage. I'm gonna have to get my man down in Houston with me so we can do a Comic-Con style Comic-Con together. Maybe at Comic Palooza with this thing. But I think he's the only person that got doper tailpipes than I do. But it's the homie Shock West. Follow my boy. And follow RCLX. Yeah, man. Carnage Charger. That's how we doing it. They got the barbecue jumping over there. Frisbee football over there. I wish there was more people that showed up, but it's Sunday, so you know how it is. Some people got to get ready for work in the morning.
Hard with the instructions, figuring out how to put the hydraulic fuel in and bleed it.
1923 Ford. That's the shop I need to go see. Well, he popped the hood on the Lightning. He said this thing drove better than a lot of the older Corvettes he had, but broke loose just like they did when he got on it. Stock supercharger. Back when trucks was trucks. 2004 Ford Lightning supercharged. Not electric. Stock supercharger. Coming through loud and proud on a tire. Oh, and then I hear him coming in too. At 392. Man, that Mustang is loud. I hope he hit it one time. I'm a hater, man. I think Mustangs are the best sounding cars out still. Sheesh. All right, I don't want to get in trouble, so let me record this Civic Sport. Man, I swear you can't tell the difference between these and SI if you're not an import guy. God, that Mopar, that Mustang sounds good though. And then it gets super quiet. Mustang's definitely breaking the code on the best sound. Look at the tire on that thing.
First I've seen the trim wrap in sunlight. Yeah, first full sunlight. I think the first time I've seen the trim wrap. It's a lot better than it does in the dark. It shines a bit more.
Yeah, it actually shines up. What's going on, man?
What's up? Man, this car sounds awesome.
I appreciate that. Were you just at Wash Lab?
Yeah.
Okay, I saw you there. I was right behind you.
Oh, yeah. I was just trying to get cleaned up.
Oh yeah.
Man, this thing look and sounds mean.
I appreciate that.
I got my
Sheesh. I like the R&R tires. And he's a stick shift. This dude is my hero. You know when you mean business at a car show and people come to try to park in here and they ain't supposed to be here? They brought their own tow truck with them. Play with them boys if you want. Get your car towed out of here. Another member of the RCLX crew.
I have a mail. Well, that's all I left.
And frisbee golf across the wooded area over here, and the homie got hit with a frisbee. Thought he'd pick it up and give it back to the people. Well, it's frisbee golf. You got to play the frisbee where it lies. So it was about 4 dudes yelling at him to leave it alone. Uh-oh, I ain't got the best truck no more. Squad rolling deep. Still got the best lifted truck here though. But that's what I'm talking about. Support the homie. Park wherever the hell y'all want. Coming in hot. Hear brake squealing. Camaro in the back acting bad. Lolo, Team Empire. Ram 1500. Who? A high country lower? I ain't never seen that in my life. A Silverado high country? Ford Lightning, another one. Another Silverado. Beamer, was that a 1 Series? Yep, 128i. Euro Mafia. It's a clean Beamer. Drop top. That's what I'm talking about. 328i. The Euro's in the building. The German Motors in the building. Oh, I ain't got the best off-road vehicle no more. That HD. Denali. Camaro bumping. Okay, AMG 550. And 392 Scatty. Now it's a show. Now it's a show. I ain't scared.
What up, Curtis?
I ain't scared. Kinda scared. Talking trash with the exhaust now. Let's get it then. And it sounds like it's all business. Man, that's a nice color. The wheels that match. Iron Man edition. Oh, okay, I get it. Yes, sir. Tony Stark edition. Iron Man on the seats too.
Hello.
Somebody recording. Oh, like Corey.
My man said he's about to get his car forged internals pro charged. The wide body 392 Scat. I can't wait to see it though. He got that thing too.
Balance this shit out, man. It's like Jay said some shit. Jay.
That's nuts. He said it got a 388 in it. The man said, how you kept the interior so clean, so long?
Oh, I'm sorry. He scared me.
I'm digging it.
That means your skin feels healthy and smooth from the morning workout playlist.
So, talking to the homie shop, he said every now and then they take this same parking lot and they set up cones and do a road course, and they can use the whole stadium parking lot, and they're allowed to. The city and the school or whoever lets them use the stadium. So the next adventure is to get some people together who think they know how to drive their cars, mark out a road course, kind of like they do at Carlisle and Wham and a few other places. Make some cones, maybe barricade off the poles so people don't hit those, and actually do like a driving course to let people actually test their cars out and see what they do in turns, and not just straight quarter mile, eighth mile type stuff from a dig. So actually put a few twists and turns in here and see what they do. So that's the next adventure. We're gonna see if we can put that together, get some people out, some different cars, different varieties, see what they do, see how they stack up. So that's the plan. Let's see how it happens. Let's see what happens. Believe it or not, there's a lot of people who like the truck.
Berkeley Lane. Here at Berkeley Lane, it's a little subdivision they built. Just off an ant. But it's before it turns into Park.
So now I know the owner of a tent shop, and it's veteran owned. So if y'all in Alabama and y'all need some tent work done, let me know, and I'll put you in touch with Steve over at Tent World. I'm gonna do an interview soon with him, so you can see what kind of stuff he has going on over there. And he's only gonna do what's legal for the area. He ain't gonna get you in trouble because his reputation's on.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves,
What's going on, partner?
Nothing much, man. Custom kicks, man. Let me get your card and a flyer, man. We do not just customize, we restore as well.
You restore too?
We restore as well. We do not just customize. I just do customs and I bring them out to events because I can't really, I can bring restorations out here, but these was all white when I got them. Everything out here is my paint.
Everything out here was started out white.
Everything started out here white, man. Everything is my paint, my hand paint or airbrush. You know what I'm saying? So everything out here is my custom.
What?
My field.
No way.
Yeah, everything.
Yo.
The receipts in the box, you can see they all white. Everything out here was all white. All that's my paint, my blend.
Man, y'all better hit him up. Y'all better hit him up. That's all by hand.
All by hand. Everything.
Yo.
Everything by hand. That's all hand paint.
So, do people bring them to you? How do you get the work done?
If I don't have your size on hand already, give me the shoe. I customize whatever you want. I put your brand on it. I put your name, your birthdays, your cars, anything you want. I can paint them the same color as your car. I got flip-flop paint. So if
really?
you got the chameleon cars, I can do the chameleon paint. These are just my affordable customs, but that's my chameleon paint on there. It's like 3 flips on there.
What?
Like I said, everything, man, was all white when I got it. Everything.
Man, y'all gotta come see my dude, man. I need about 3 pairs. Payday next week, I'm gonna hit you up.
Yeah, give me a shout, man.
Most def. Follow them right here. Get your shoes. Bring it to them, get them done, however you want them done, hand painted. That's what's up. Well, back at the house. Didn't win no trophies. My Saints didn't win, but it's all good. Supported the homie. It was a good turnout at the car show. They said they're gonna do it every year. Try to take as many opportunities to do as many events as they can for the community. And they normally do a good job reaching out to different places. Advanced Auto, AutoZone, O'Reilly's. They had so many door prizes, so many things you could win raffle-wise. Probably more than I've seen in any other show that I've been to, and I've been doing this a long time. But they went to just about everybody and asked them, could they help out and donate. They had a lot of donations, so that was pretty awesome. But everybody liked the truck. There was a lot of good competition there, and I don't have enough stuff done to the truck custom-wise to be able to win. It is pretty dope for a stock 2500 Ram turbo diesel though, so probably talked to a few people into buying one, but it was a good show. It was a good turnout. Had a great time, but now it's time to get ready for the next one. The car should be done tomorrow. You'll see what it was in the shop for soon. I'm trying to keep it on the low, and probably pick it up. I might leave it there tomorrow. Probably pick it up on Tuesday and do a video on what we got done to the car. But it's at a body shop right now getting some work done. And that's all I'm gonna say. But yep, the unboxing for the drone, car show today. And now that we're not having a government shutdown, I guess I'm going to work tomorrow. So the next big show that the car is probably going to be in, if there's nothing before then that I can think of, is going to be a trunk or treat on the 28th at the same billiards and arcade center near Birmingham. So I think that's going to be the next big show. And I might wait until then to do the reveal of what was done to the car while it was at the body shop. So you're just going to have to wait and see. Appreciate y'all, man. Like, share, and subscribe. Husky Dad.